the availability of in volume of EVs now, especially in the light and medium duty sector. There's a lot of vehicles being built and purchased and going into service this year. So there's a lot of that going on. And you look at the investments that's being made. Ford just announced a $50 billion investment in battery technology. GM $35 billion. And I think that's helping a lot of people allay their fears that EVs are just a passing fad, and which is, and that's all being helped by the fact that you see a lot of big companies like Amazon, which is a lot of press on their 100,000 vehicle order from Rivian. Walmart recently placed a 4,500 truck order with Canoo, and FedEx is piloting many vehicles around the country. But I think also the federal tax credits, state incentives, in California, which is way ahead of everybody else. In California is offering $120,000 in incentives to purchase a battery electric vehicle and $240,000 for a fuel cell electric vehicle. So it's not just the government mandating. I have a big impact on it, but I think there's lots of other factors that are driving the acceptance of EVs in our industry.